Hey guys, today I have a unboxing for you guys, and this is a Glamour Jewelry box. It's a $25 a month subscription service for jewelry, and they asked me if I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys, and I told them yes. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this with you guys. I think the packaging is super cute. It's like a little marble box. I absolutely love the color, and then it has their name right here in the middle. So we're going to see what's in here. So the first thing in here is a little card, and hopefully that will focus, and it says, "Glamour is shine and confidence. We hope you enjoy this month's jewelry selection. Each piece was carefully curated to help you sparkle into spring." And if I have any additional information about them, I will leave it down below, as well as their website. And there's a little note in here. Okay, so the owner actually left me a little message, and it says that anyone who signs up using the code Melissa4, so I'm going to put that across the screen, and down below you will actually get a fourth piece of jewelry if you sign up. So I'm going to leave that code down below and around here on the screen. So if you're interested in signing up, it's $25 a month, and if you use the code you get a fourth piece. I don't get any kind of compensation or anything like that from this. This is just to benefit you guys, so I'm so happy that the owner did this. So if you're interested in this, then that would be a good way of trying to start this. So there is just like little, kind of like little wrapping in there. And this is the little bag. It's a little velvet bag. It feels like really luxurious, and it has their name on the front. So it says Glamour Jewelry Box right there. So I'm going to go ahead and open this and see what's in here. Okay, first thing that I'm pulling out is a bracelet, and it's gold, and it has a knot on top. This is super, super cute. Wait. I'm thinking I'm putting this on the wrong way. Yeah, that's the way it goes. So that is super cute. It's like a little bangle, and it has a knot. I like just how simple it is. And I like the fact that checking out their website, they have things that are very simple to like a really fashion statement jewelry. So I think that they have a great variety. And next thing in here is a, oh, this is so cute. It's a feather necklace. And let me go ahead and open this up and see how long it is. Okay, so this one is really long. This will probably meet me like probably halfway down my shirt, but that is what it looks like right there. And it seems a really great quality. And let's see what's in here. And last thing in here, oh, that is so cute. Last thing in here is a little ring. Let me see if it'll focus, and it's kind of like an arrow that is around, like around. I don't know if this is expandable. It seems like it is, but that's what it looks like right there. And this is in rose gold. That's the only weird thing, because it kind of seemed like everything went together, because this is in gold, and then the bracelet is in gold, and then this is rose gold. But this is absolutely beautiful. I don't mind it because I don't have that many pieces in rose gold, and I really have wanted to accumulate more. So this is super cute. And yeah, it seems like you can just like pull it a little bit further and get it to actually become bigger. And then if not, you could actually use it kind of like, I don't know how people like those like half rings, so you could use it like that if you wanted to. I'm not really into that. I'm like into the whole like using it as a regular ring. I don't know why I've never gotten into that style where people leave it halfway through. So that is everything in the box. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I'm going to put the coupon code that they sent me in this little thank you note down below, so you guys can use that for your benefit if you want to sign up and get a fourth piece with your first order. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this box. What do you think of the pricing? $25 a month. I think it's a reasonable price. It's not like way too expensive. And it seems a really nice quality. The boxing, the little bag that it comes in, so you can actually store it in here and keep them, you know, from deteriorating faster. So I really like this. Let me know what your thoughts are. I'd love to hear back from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit that little red button down below. Love you guys, and until next time, bye guys.